AI is about to replace hundreds of millions of jobs. But before you panic, let me show you how it's also creating incredible opportunities you might not expect. Today, we're diving into how AI is reshaping the job market. Not just taking jobs, but transforming them and creating entirely new paths. By the end of the video, you'll have a clear picture of which jobs are at risk, how you can stay ahead, and where the new opportunities lie. Stick around, because this might just be the key to your business future. With AI advancing at an unprecedented rate, many traditional jobs are at risk. According to Goldman Sachs, AI could replace 300 million full-time jobs worldwide in the next decade. But here's what most people aren't talking about: the doors AI is opening. Are the jobs we thought safe really protected from AI? In fact, according to some other experts, up to 50% of all jobs could be affected by AI in the coming years. Take the legal profession as an example. Traditionally, we think of lawyers as untouchable by automation. But now, AI tools like ChatGPT and other legal software are handling tasks like research, contract analysis, and even initial client consultations. Imagine an AI that can quickly go through thousands of legal documents to find relevant information in seconds. This is something that used to take junior associates hours, if not days. Many of these jobs, especially junior roles, are disappearing. However, a small percentage of professionals who adapt by learning to work alongside AI will continue to thrive, overseeing and leveraging AI tools to enhance their roles. Take, for instance, a mid-sized law firm in Chicago that integrated AI tools to handle routine research. This allowed their human lawyers to focus on high-value tasks like courtroom strategy and personal client engagement, ultimately increasing both their efficiency and profitability. But it's not just about saving current jobs. AI is also creating brand new roles. AI isn't just a job killer, it's a job creator. Consider the rise of new AI-driven roles, such as AI trainers, safety specialists, machine learning supervisors, and more. AI trainers, for example, are individuals who help fine-tune AI models by providing them with quality data and correcting errors in their outputs. AI safety specialists, on the other hand, are crucial for ensuring AI systems operate without causing harm or making biased decisions. These are only a few of the thousands of new roles that are emerging over the coming years. There are going to be many, many new roles that we don't even know about yet. Exciting opportunities are coming for both job seekers and businesses that are ready to adapt. So what's the secret to thriving in this changing landscape? Let's talk about how to stay ahead. How can you make sure you're on the right side of the AI revolution? The key to staying relevant is skill development. Imagine you're an accountant. By embracing AI tools, you could automate the repetitive parts of your job, like data entry and preliminary analysis, and focus on more providing strategic insights to clients. Platforms like Coursera or Udemy offer courses on AI that can also help your business stay ahead. Also, training key employees on how to use specific AI tools or ways to automate their tasks, processes, and workflows. The more employees in your company that are using these tools, the more efficient your business will be. Eventually, AGI and ASI will replace most human jobs. But for now, there are still many areas where AI cannot fully replace human capabilities, especially those requiring creativity, empathy, and complex decision-making. In this interim period, there are roles and skills that AI will struggle to replicate. What skills do you think AI will never be able to replace? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. AI may be powerful, but it has limitations during the transition period before we get to AGI and ASI. Now let's talk about the ethical considerations. AI, despite its strengths, can sometimes make biased decisions. This happens because AI learns from data, and if that data has biases, the AI will learn them too. For example, there have been cases where AI recruitment tools ended up favoring certain demographics over others, simply because the data fed to them was biased. These challenges remind us that human oversight is crucial, and ethical considerations are a new frontier where we still have the upper hand. And this brings us back to the bigger picture. How can we work with AI while ensuring it serves humanity and our business's best interests? We've seen that many roles are vulnerable. New roles and opportunities will emerge, and how you can stay ahead. But there's a bigger picture here. AI is powerful, but it's still just a tool. And that means the human element remains irreplaceable, at least for now. Whether you're a lawyer, a factory worker, or a creative, the future is about collaboration with AI to be as efficient as possible. How do you plan to collaborate with AI in your business or career? Let's discuss in the comments. Wondering what the next big AI breakthrough will be? Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve. We'll keep you updated on how to thrive in an AI-driven world. Hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's shape this future together. If you're interested in learning more about AI tools that you can use today, check out this video right here.